auto fix. Today I'm working on a Volkswagen Jetta 2007 model. So I have a flat clutch pedal. I've encountered this kind of problem before on my Make 4. And this car, I just purchased this car recently. I just saved it from a salvage yard. So I'm doing a lot of work here. So the problem that I see that possibly is going to happen if you have that problem is, one is that you're low on brake fluid. Now if it reaches below this level here, then wouldn't be able to supply it because this is the pipe that leads to that. And the second thing that could be able to cause it also is this clutch sleeve that's supposed to be here. If that one is leaking and it looks like this, and if for any reason it leaks here or you allow pressure to pass through inside the diaphragm here where it's supposed to be creating pressure, then you're gonna be having a flat brake, a flat clutch pedal. And the last one that's gonna be able to cause it, in most cases 9 out of 10, is this guy right here. Okay, so this is the clutch master for, I don't know, they changed to rubber, and it gets to spoil very much often. I don't know the brain behind it. I think it's to get customer back to the market, because aside that, their car don't easily break. Like this is 1.6 liters. You can drive this car like forever. Okay, now with that said, replacing these is where the problem comes. I've got a brand new part, and that's it right here. So I'm supposed to have shown you guys how to be able to get it out, and that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I bought this one. This is aftermarket parts. I hope this one should be able to last long. Then getting this out is a problem. Now you don't get it out from the hood. You're gonna be getting out of here, and when you're gonna be getting out of here, you're gonna be losing this. It's been secured by 313mm bolt. You can see two down there. This is one here, and you have one on top. And for you to lose it, so the first thing you're gonna be doing here is, I suggest you should start with this big one. If suppose you have the problem, first of all, start with this one that is here, this clutch, and make sure that there is no any leak of brake fluid. If there is any brake fluid leak, then this could be one of the culprit. But most time is this very master here that used to have that problem. So the first thing you're going to be doing here is to pull out the pin. They have the pin that you can see around here. So you want to pull out that pin first. When you pull out the pin, just find something and bar it out of the way. Then pull this one out. Pull this one down. You can see this one here. So you drag it down, then you get out. Then the next one you want to pull out, make sure you want to find something to catch the fluid that's leaking. Like you can see, it's pointing on my hand right now. So you pull that one out, pull it out strongly, and twist it, then you should pull out. When you twist out and you come out, it should be like that. Then you have separated the clutch fluid lines. Then you should be getting ready to get this one out. Let me show you one more thing. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the leg brake out to the clutch pedal out, so I can be able to show you, because I've actually replaced mine. I'm about to complete it before it did dawn on me that some could be having problem with theirs, and putting it back would be a problem. Now the first thing here is, if you have this, it should be stuck like this, right? There are two retain clip that's going to be somewhere here and here. So you're going to use something like this and push it from one side and push it on the other side. Then you drag this one out, you bar it from here, then it should be able to come out. Then if it comes out, before coming out, you want to twist this, all right? Twist it from like this to right clockwise, then pull it out of this thing here. So you gotta twist it like this and pull it out. If you don't twist it like that, it's not going to come out. Then use the same method to install it when you want to install it. When that is clear, then You want to remove this white, because if you don't remove this white clip that hold it in place to get stuck inside here, you are not going to get this one out. Now once that is done, then you've pretty much done almost the whole job. The next thing here is first secure these two 13 bolt that is here. Then for the last one, your hand won't be able to reach it, so this is what I've done to be able to get my hands to reach it. So this is just about the size of someone's leg, all right, from knee to foot. So you got to join a lot of them to be able to extend from here. You can see it right there. So if you put the seat back, it should be just about this size. So that's the extension you're going to be needing, and attach your 13 there, then get your 13 inside there and take it all the way in there and be guiding it until you see it and tight it. Without that method, tightening it is going to be impossible. All right, your hands can get in through here. It's really tight here, so your hand can get in there, so you can aim it from here like a gun and get it in there and screw it back in. So when you screw it back in, then that's done. Then when that is done, you are just done with this one. You're not completely done yet. So I'm gonna be taking you the other process, whereby you will come here to attach this line that you see right here. Attach it back to the service up port there, and don't forget to put this clip back. Put this clip back on it, and when you do that, you also do it to the down part. Then reconnect to the port like you did this one here. Suppose after finding that this one is not faulty, you put it back. It's been secured by 213 bolts. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to bleed it. The bleeding process is another thing, because it's gonna be like tomorrow. I mean, like as if it's never gonna end. This is the bleeding part. It has a name to it, and you just unscrew it anti-clockwise. This is a 11 millimeter. Then make sure that this one here is fitted in, so that you can bleed all of them at the same time. So when you get to bleed it, if you get it well bleeded out, then the clutch should be able to work very well, and it should be able to shift the car should be able to engage into gear when you start. Because the first problem you're going to be having here, if you're having this kind of manual transmission, is that it will be getting hard to actually engage. If you want to put it in reverse, you're going to be hearing some noise, you know. It's not like a noise from exhaust. And if you want to engage it in the front, it's going to be really hard. You're going to really push it hard with your foot all the way down, because it's going to be really getting flat before it will allow the gear to go in. But if you have done this service correctly, then this should the problem of not getting into the gear should be solved once and for all. The flat clutch thing should be solved once and for all. So I hope you guys are finding this very helpful. If you do, subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now. Guys, at last I did get that one replaced, but after getting this one set up again, I'm still seeing some leak here. I did discover that this is where my problem is, not the clutch master. So if you have this kind of a problem, my advice would be you should replace this one first, because this one should be less expensive compared to the clutch master. The slave master should be the clutch slave should be much more should be less expensive compared to the clutch master. So right now, I know definitely when I get this one replaced right now, I'm gonna be done with the flat clutch issues, flat clutch pedal. And I also got the same. I have to keep this one as spare, because that ensures me that this one is still in great condition. So guys, hope to catch you guys later. Bye for now.